Zillas.
Hey Casey and Leah, I'm just gonna do the basic parts of the dance so you guys know it. Let's go. Some people go front, some people go back. I don't know who's who, so you can figure out for yourselves tomorrow. I have very high expectations for the dance because, of course, I'm the best dancer, so everyone needs to look halfway decent. This is the part where they do, I don't know who's all in it. It's the pas de chat part. I don't know it because it's not my part. Then someone's gonna jump over your shoulders, and then I'm in the middle, of course, so that's it. This choreography better be remembered, bitches. We can upload it onto wetalert.com. I am very nervous about them getting the link and learning it because a lot of them procrastinate, and I'm not standing for that anymore.